Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to get a front sprocket off if you already removed the rear wheel and the chain. What you want to do is take the old chain. You don't even have to run it through the guide. You just take it, get a little bit on, and jam up 2 or 3 links up against the motor case. That way you have resistance. And what you're going to want to do is get a breaker bar in your socket and just go ahead and twist it off. Just like that, front sprocket is off. You don't need zip ties. You don't need to wrap the chain around nothing. Exactly like that, fellas. All right.